ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. My name is Jason Solis, based out of Green Bay, Wisconsin. I have a one-man acoustic show called Jamis Unplugged. My website is jamisunplugged.blogspot.com, or just Google Jamis Unplugged. I'm the only one. Now we're going to be starting lesson 1, and this is for the absolute beginner. Somebody who either went and bought a guitar and wants to play, or someone who's had a guitar but hasn't learned to play yet and they want to learn. It's never too late. So we're going to start off with the parts of the guitar. We're going to break them up, okay? We're going to start at the top, right here. Okay, this is called the head of the guitar. Alright? And as you see right here, it's an Austin guitar. That's what I use. You may have a different guitar, that's fine. You can still learn on it. It all depends on what you want to use. Everybody's different. Now, these 6 pieces right here are called tuning keys. You insert the string in, you wind it up, and you tune it accordingly. I always tune a half step down, but that's a later lesson. Now, you come right here. This it's either ivory or plastic, depending on the guitar. It's called the nut, and it's grooved to fit the strings to keep them in place. Okay? It's a very important part. Now you have, right here, the neck. Alright, this is the neck. It's the back of it. And as you see in the front of the neck, we have an ebony layer. It's called the fretboard. Okay? And of course you see these little steel pieces here. Those are called frets. Now you see these dots right here. They're called inlays. They're basically reference points. Okay? But that's a later lesson. We'll show you how to use them. Okay? Now, here is the body of the guitar. The front of it and the back. Now, this is called the sound hole. Then, you have, so I can reach it. Oh, here it is. Yep. We have pegs right here to hold the string into the body. And this little piece right here, it's called the saddle. It's either ivory or plastic, depending on which brand of guitar you have. And of course it all comes into what they call the bridge. Okay? Now, you also have, on some guitars, not all of them, you have these little metal pieces right here to hold the strap. So when you're standing up, the strap will come around your shoulders. You can hold the guitar. Now the optional ones you can also get, like something like this that I have for your picks, for easy access. You can put them here, you can put them down here, wherever you can to get easy access to them. Now, one thing that a guitarist must have, it's a must for every guitarist, is you must have a capo. Okay? It's a moral imperative. But no, it's important that you have one. And like I said, we will learn that in later lessons. Now, you can put the capo right there, so that way it doesn't get lost. Alright? So that's the parts of the guitar. Now for lesson 2, we are going to be changing these strings. I'm going to show you how to change strings. Alright? Thank you for listening.